What's up, everybody? It's Miss Brothers. Let's talk about the review for your Unit 2 test, which is next week. Just a quick reminder, as far as when this test is, for Maroon students, your test will be on Monday, the 16th. For Gold students, your test will be on Tuesday, the 17th, and that's for either in-class students or if you're at home. So if you're a distance student and you're Maroon, you will take the test Monday along with the in-class Maroon students. If you are a Gold student that is distance, then you will take this test on Tuesday, okay? If you are out sick, let me know when, ahead of time if you think you're going to be out, or if you're on home learning. I'm still going to have you take this test unless you're like super sick, and I don't want you to have to take this if you're super sick, okay? So anyway, let's kind of walk through this review real quick. Again, you guys give me the particulars: name, date, period number. I'm asking you to do this introductory video first because there's a couple of things I want to point out when you do this activity, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and put this in preview mode so you can see what I'm talking about. One of the things that you have to do, and again, I'm going to go ahead and just put my Brothers and period 1, and then that will take me to the next section. Now, notice in this next section, you guys, I'm asking you for a password. The password will actually pop up within this video, and the reason I'm doing that is because I want you to watch this video. It's really important to me. One of the things that's important to me, you guys, is that you have your Unit 2 notebook open and ready to go, and that you have updated it. Okay, again, so you need to go through the slides, check for updates, because you're going to be able to use your notes on your test, and many of you are ignoring your notebook. And you have no idea what's in it. So the very first part of this, you guys, you can see that the first section is how well do you know your Unit 2 notebook. And so you need to have your Unit 2 notebook open, ready, and updated, and that's a big deal for me. The other thing is that, and I'm not going to section through this because I don't necessarily want you to see the questions right now, is that after you submit your test, you'll have the option to go back and view your score. You should absolutely go back and view your score because A, it's going to show you anything that you got wrong, and B, each of these questions, you guys, as you go through and answer these questions, there's feedback on many of these questions that either point you to a certain direction in your notebook or provide you with an answer. But that's and that's what you want to do. The whole point of this, you guys, is that you're doing some preparation for Monday's test, that you're refamiliarizing yourself with some of these things that we haven't touched on in a couple of weeks. So it's really important that you go back and look at those feedback pieces because that's going to provide you your answers, okay? Of course, on the multiple choice questions, you'll see the feedback immediately. For those short answer questions, those aren't graded. And if you want to know if you got those right, you need to read the feedback pieces on those, okay? So that's pretty much all I have to say. The password for this video, you guys, is password. Capital PASSWORD, and you can see it right here. Okay, I know, tricky. All right, you guys, good luck getting this review done, and I will talk to you soon.